I'm recording the sewer line here at 11725 Shoreline Park Drive Northwest. Date is July 7th, 2020. Looking at the Seattle City main. I'm recording this from the clean out here on the south side of the house. Coming back from the city main now. So we're in 6-inch concrete. This is a shared line with the neighboring house. Coming back. See a little bit of rock and debris. That's from the old concrete line that's seen better days. And we get to here, and we got some toilet paper hanging up and a pretty good lip on the pipe. Right here, it looks like the bottom of the pipe may be broken. And because there's a bunch of rock in the pipe. There should never be rock in this sewer line. And it's got to be coming from in the ground. So I'm going to pause the video right here and get a locate on this spot. If we were to dig, this is where we would start. So let me pause the video, get her locate. Alright, so I've got a fairly accurate locate on that spot. But yes, we've got missing bottom chunk of the pipe there. And I'd located this spot in the past when I was out here before, but we are definitely, see on the bottom side of the screen, there's a section of concrete that's missing and there's just rock in the line. So this does need to get dug up there. It looks to be after where the neighbor is tying into the line. So this would be, this should be a shared section of the sewer, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to try to locate. This is another tie-in into the line right here on the bottom right part of the screen. I'm going to try to locate this spot real quick as well. Okay, I can't get a very accurate locate on this spot because some kind of other utilities running through there. But I'm coming back through here. All this pipe looks good. It's just that old original concrete pipe that has an issue. So I'm going to end the recording and write up a proposal to fix that. End the recording there.